Irafu cia Gor Mahia, AFC Leopards, Kariobangi Sharks na Kameme Homeboys cia kuuma guku bururi-ini nio meguthaka thiini wa gikombe gia Sportpesa Super Cup kiria gikambiria kuma tariki 3 nginya tariki 10 mweri-ini wa Mugwanja kiharo-ini gia Kasarani,
which is the second edition. Last year we did the same tournament in Tanzania where the winner faced Everton at the National Stadium, and this year we are going to do the same tournament here in Kenya at the Kasarani Stadium.
Ilafu ici cia kuma Kenya cigacamania na Yanga, Simba, Singida na Njorua cia ligi ya Zanzibar JKU thiini wa ngucanio ici cia thikũ mũgwanja.
About who's playing when. The IMOC has been formed, so the details in terms of the format, the draw and everything else will follow probably in the early next week.
Kiheo kinene kia Muhotani wa betika ici ni ciringi milioni 3 na kamwe ka gũgatũngana na kirafu kia Everton gia kuma Ngeretha thiini wa kiharo kia Goodison Park.
And the winner of this competition will get an opportunity to experience an EPL stadium by playing Everton in their home ground at Goodison Park in Liverpool. This will be a game that will be played in July after the World Cup.
Kogena ku Minister wa Ũgitĩri wa Thiini Fred Matiang'i ni amukiria gikombe gia timu ya muthako wa netball Kenya Prisons umuthi thiini wa nyumba ya Capitol Hill guku Nairobi. Kenya Prisons mahotire timu ya Ghana victory kwa point 33 kwa 10 thiini wa final cia ciathakirwo akira bururi-ini wa Ghana cia gwetha kirafu gia njorua ya gitaro kia Africa.
Our president has instructed us to do whatever it takes within the budgets we have, within the departments we have, to support the growth and the development of sports talent in the country.
Kuringana na Fred Matiang'i ni akongoire nyarari ici na kuga ni magutigira muthako no wandanduka thiini wa kambi cia mbiraru guku bururi-ini.
Within the resources we have, we figure out how we can develop the prisons department sports facility so that more of our officers can compete, more of our officers can participate in international events.
Kenya Prisons makarugamirira bururi thiini wa betika cia gikombe gia thi kiria gatafanio mwaka-ini ukite bururi-ini wa Jamaica. Handũ-inĩ ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV rĩakwo nĩ njamba njĩthĩ wa Nairobi wa Gatuma.